The universe is filled with mysteries. Some hide in the farthest reaches of space, in the hearts of black holes, the birth of galaxies. But others are right here on Earth, locked away in the minds of brilliant thinkers. Nikola Tesla was one such mind. A man who seemed to pluck ideas directly from the cosmos itself. He painted our world with alternating current. He gave us the very light we use to read these words. Yet for every invention that changed our lives, there are whispers of others. Ideas so grand they seem to belong to science fiction. These are the forgotten experiments. Echoes of a future that never came to be. A shadow legacy, a tantalizing question mark at the end of a brilliant career. We stand on a planet transformed by his vision. But what if that's only a fraction of what he intended? Tesla's story is not just invention, it's ambition that soared to cosmic heights. He didn't want to improve the world, he wanted to rewire it. He envisioned instant communication. Our story begins not in a futuristic lab, but in a small village in the Austrian Empire, now Croatia. In 1856, Nikola Tesla was born, a child of lightning storms and intense visions. From a young age, his mind worked differently. He could visualize entire inventions in perfect detail, building, testing, refining. This ability became the hallmark of his genius. After studying engineering, he journeyed to America in 1884 with little more than a recommendation letter to Thomas Edison. In the heart of the Industrial Revolution, his destiny was forged in a great technological battle. Tesla's arrival coincided with the dawn of the electrical age. Thomas Edison championed direct current, DC. But Tesla envisioned alternating current, AC. AC could transmit power over vast distances efficiently. Imagine a world without electrical outlets, a world where power is broadcast through the air, just like radio waves. This was the dream that consumed Nikola Tesla. It was his magnum opus, the world wireless system. Tesla believed the Earth itself was a vast electrical conductor. He theorized a powerful oscillator could pump electricity into the ground at a resonant frequency and make the planet resonate. Anyone, anywhere, could tap that energy with a simple receiver. A plan for limitless free energy for all of humankind. To realize it, he built Wardenclyffe Tower. Rising 187 feet over Long Island, this strange mushroom-shaped dome was to be his global transmitter. Funded by the powerful financier J.P. Morgan as the first node in a worldwide network, Tesla's plan was twofold. First, a global communications hub, then the secret purpose, wireless transmission of power. When he learned Tesla sought to give away free energy, he saw no way to meter it and sell it. Funding was abruptly cut. Tesla's mind didn't just work with electricity, it was fascinated by vibration and resonance. This led him to one of his most infamous and honestly terrifying creations. The mechanical oscillator, better known as the earthquake machine. It was a small, steam-powered device that could be tuned to the resonant frequency of any object. In 1898, while testing it in his Manhattan laboratory, he attached it to a steel pillar in the basement. As the oscillator whirred to life, a strange vibration began to spread. The ground shook, windows shattered, and machinery rattled violently. The entire building began to tremble as if caught in an earthquake, sending the neighborhood into a panic. Realizing what was happening, Tesla grabbed a sledgehammer and smashed his own creation just as the police arrived. Another of Tesla's legendary and fearsome inventions was the teleforce, a particle beam weapon he referred to as the death ray. He worked on this concept for decades, envisioning it as the ultimate defensive tool. It was not a ray in the conventional sense, but a focused beam of microscopic particles, accelerated to incredible speeds by electrostatic repulsion. Tesla claimed his weapon could project a concentrated beam of energy powerful enough to bring down a fleet of 10,000 airplanes from 200 miles away. What happened to these incredible inventions? Why did a future of free energy vanish? Why did planetary defense vanish? Why did revolutionary machines vanish? The reasons are a complex weave of finance, personality, and perhaps conspiracy. The most straightforward explanation is money. Tesla was a brilliant creator but a poor businessman. His grandest projects required colossal funding. His investors were interested in profit, not utopia. Ultimately, many of Tesla's ideas may have simply been too far ahead of their time. The materials and supporting technologies needed to safely build a death ray or a global power grid may not have existed in the early 20th century. He was a man sketching out the details of a spaceship, in an age of horse-drawn carriages, yet, the ghost of his ambition still haunts us. The fascination with Tesla's lost experiments endures because it speaks to a deep human desire for a better, more wondrous world. Today, scientists are exploring wireless charging for our devices and beaming solar power from space. ideas that echo Tesla's world wireless system, but the ones that dare to challenge the world as it is and offer a glimpse of the universe as it could be.